Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Today we've just got a Toyota Land Cruiser VDJ 200 and we're going to show you how to do the fuel filter. So first things first, in my opinion, you're going to want to crack your three 5mm, oh geez that's tight, Allen bolts. I might need to get another tool there. So crack all three of your bolts, and then you want to disconnect your electrical connectors, your flow meter and your water trap sensor. So take those off, get this loose, and then we'll get our two 12mm and our feed in and feed out hoses. Okay, so I managed to loosen them off. Just needed to support it a bit better with my other hand. So push in and pull that out. Same with this one, hopefully. It's a bit of a two-handed job. So now we will get our socket 12mm here and get our pliers here. So we'll just take our hoses off. Play again with one hand. God, that's painful. Anyway, you get the idea. Take that off, and then we'll take our two 12s off as well. Alrighty, so twist your hose, hopefully. Pull it off. Twist your hose. Pull it off. Take this over here. This diesel does go through a drain and then through a plate separator over there. So it's all good for it to go down there, down the normal sink. So we'll take that off and find our tool. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could leave this in the car and just change the filter, but it's not really the best job. Take that out, grab your filter, due for a change. You see this black stuff, it's probably diesel bug. It's not too bad. It's a little bit bad in there, so you probably want to put some sort of biocide diesel cleaner in there to try and kill that stuff out, because it's not good for your fuel system. So next we'll just grab some degreaser or just put some cleaner in there, give that a clean, give this top a little clean. Then we'll rinse it out and we'll blow it out and we'll replace the filter. So we've got our new filter R2657P, the Ryco number. Our housing is nice and clean, and so is our filter top. So we can quite literally pop this in there, make sure it's pushed in there properly. Righto, grab our new seal, pop our seal on, and then put our filter into place like that, and then we'll put our top on and put our little screws on. I'll see if I can do that one-handed. So it looks something like that. And then you put your screws in, just put them in sort of finger tight. Well, you sort of want to, just nip them up a little bit, but it's much easier when we bolt this back into the car. We can do our top ones back up. Alrighty, so we've got it screwed in, we've got it sitting in the car. We'll do the two 12s up. They're done up. So we can just go around with our Allen key, we'll do those up, and then once you've done that up, so you've got an arrow here and then you've got an arrow this way, so essentially that's telling you direction of flow. So we want to just pop this one on, and then you put your clamp on, you leave this one off. I'll just do our 5 mils up and then we'll bleed the fuel system. Okay, so we've got our 5 mils done up, and now we're just going to go ahead and pump it. Yes, I haven't done my clamp up yet, it's not going to matter. Pump away, you should start feeling some resistance come through. Righto, and at that point you can pop that on, just give it a few more pumps, build up that pressure, put your clamps back on, see if we can do this. One-handed, what a weapon. Put your electrical connectors on. If your water trap light is on, there is a reset procedure for it, which essentially you I think it's a flow meter, I don't know which one it is. You leave it disconnected, you turn the ignition on, you plug it in, you start the car, you turn the car off, you restart the car, and that should reset your light. Usually I just do both because I can never remember which exact one it is. If that's your water trap light, that's your reset procedure. Still need to put some engine oil in this one, and this one will start up. So I'll get the engine oil in it and then we'll start her up. Righto, this is going to be the first start since putting the new fuel filter in. Just make sure that it keeps running. Even if we had no fuel filter on at the moment, it would run for probably 10 seconds before it died out. That's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for following me. Please consider liking and subscribing. If it helps you out in any way, that would help me out. And we'll catch you at the next one, guys. Take care.